Values. Some of the best companies in the world have them, including us. These include our NHS core principles. But why do we need them?
Values are basic and fundamental beliefs that guide or motivate attitudes or actions.
They help us to focus on what is important to us.
Y math o bobl yr ydym am fod, y ffordd yr ydym ni'n trin ein hunan ac eraill a sut rydym am gydweithio.
But values have to come from somewhere if they are to have real meaning. Our values, you may be surprised to hear, came from you.
In 2015 and 2016, over 2,000 Hywel staff completed surveys, and over 1,000 staff attended workshops to understand and develop the Hywel value. And the question that was asked to everyone:
what values do we see in each other?
It was a good question.
It was, because it has a direct impact on how we feel about being in work.
And how we can best serve our communities.
And for me, the most important value of all is kindness. And that's kindness to each other. And everybody in this organisation has come here because they have a vocation to care for people.
Urddas.
Kindness.
O, diolch yn fawr iawn. Croeso.
Parch.
Thank you.
Integrity, caring.
A tegwch.
And compassion, working together to be the best that we can be.